So I had the title set to how to create this button. It was more of the practicality of it. I got instant interest in how to create this button. So getting past the technical kind of difficulties I've had kind of recording that.
Stop recording button. Microphone on button.
Okay. And now I know it's recording and my mic is working properly. I'm going to show you how to create these shortcuts and program them. And I want to show you the record button because I think it's going to be one of the most practical shortcuts. So we're going to go into shortcuts here.
Airplane mode. Switch button. Off. Moon forecast. App library. Search
We're
field.
in the app library where the shortcuts app lives here.
Suggestions. Facebook. MP3 converter. YT Studio. Amazon. Recently added. Shortcuts.
Here we go.
Shortcuts.
I'm just going to create a new one for demonstration purposes here. And
select.
This
button.
takes a little bit to load.
Tab bar. Gallery. Tab. Automation. Selected. My shortcuts. Vertical
It's been
scroll
a
bar.
little while
link
since
1.
I've
12 shortcuts. Back all shortcuts.
created
Heading.
and
Select.
really use
button.
this.
Create
So we're
shortcut.
going to go
button.
to create shortcut here. Double tap.
Search.
Now, this is like the most simplest shortcut. It's so practical, but
Dictate.
it's very simple to create.
Toolbar.
Some
Undo.
of these,
Dimmed
if
button.
you use a bunch of actions for it to do
Redo.
multiple
Dimmed
things
button.
at once, it's difficult. Now, this is just a regular shortcut. There's all types of shortcuts you can create in the Apple Shortcuts app here. And if you want the history, see my previous video on how this all got started and why I wanted to create a record button in the first place, and it kind of shows you how Apple bot workflow, etc. But here,
Share. Dimmed button. Run shortcut. Dimmed button.
all these buttons
details,
are
button.
dimmed.
New shortcut 6. Heading.
And so this
Details,
is the
button.
6th new shortcut here, because my shortcuts got a little messed up with iCloud and backed up and everything. I just downloaded this today, so bear with me. We're going to
Create a shortcut to actions you do in your apps every day.
create a shortcut to actions of apps you do every day.
Add action. Button.
Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is add action.
Add
And in order to speed up this process,
search for apps and actions. Search field.
you're going to want to use the search a lot. So we're first going to
Search field is editing. Search for apps and actions. Q A U
audio.
D I I.
Oops.
Delete. I O.
Audio. Here we go. So in the
App Store.
audio,
Settings. iTunes Store. WhatsApp. Apps. Cancel. Button. Apps. Heading. Speaking
It
words. Character. Vertical screen record. Headings. Actions. Heading. Set mono audio. Button. More info. But set audio
All
descriptions.
kinds of
More info.
audio.
Record audio. Button. Heading.
record
Actions available.
audio.
Added record audio
And
to shortcut
I
above record
just
audio.
double
Media.
tapped.
Show more. Button. Detail. New shortcut 6. Heading. Detail. Media. Record audio action. Heading. Record audio.
And now if I
Record audio action.
double tap,
Heading.
it will describe what the
Actions
action
available.
does for
Uses
me.
the microphone to record audio.
Uses the microphone to record
audio.
audio. Now we have to have a way of telling this we want all the recorded audio to go into
Show more.
notes.
Button. Add action. Button.
So I'm going to add one last action to this.
Add action. Actions controller. Search for apps and actions. Search field.
We're
Search
going
field
to
is editing.
search
N
notes.
O T E S.
Now, the first time, it's going to give you a dialog asking you if you want to allow access to Apple Notes, and you're going to want to hit allow.
Search.
Apple Notes doesn't really have these kinds of integrations very much, but when you do, you're going to want to take advantage of it because Apple Notes does a lot already without these. And if you add this integration with shortcuts, you can have your Apple Notes show up as shortcuts if you want, although I use the widgets now. But you can do a lot more with Apple Notes just in this Shortcuts app. So I'm going to hit search now that we typed in notes into our search.
Search. Show note. Create note. Button.
And
Heading.
we're going
Actions available.
perfect. I'm on the create note action. And if I double tap, let's see what happens.
Create note. Heading. More info. Spiral notepad. More. Create actions. Heading. Create note. Button. Heading. Create note. Heading.
It will
Title.
kind of show...
Find notes. More delete notes.
You
Button.
have to
Heading.
kind of swipe around.
Actions
It's more
available.
of a heading.
Type
If you
New
want to
Year's
like
gift. Title.
append a
Find
note,
more
or if
info.
you want
Delete
to
notes.
use
Button.
a
More
note
info.
that already
Get notes. Button.
exists, it
Heading.
shows
More
some
info.
of the
Button.
notes
Show
that
notes
I've
folder.
created
More info.
already.
Button. Add reminder
I
via
can
fantastic. More info.
show
Add event. More info. Create more info. Create day 1 entry. More info.
kind of day
Button.
one
Note.
and
Cancel.
all that kind of
Apps.
stuff.
Notes.
Now,
Actions. Heading. Notes.
if I'm having trouble finding a specific action, like a new note action, I can double tap on the Notes app which is more
Selected.
specific.
Notes. Notes.
It
Heading.
will
Close. Append to note.
select
More info.
that.
Button.
I can append
Create
to
note. Button.
a
Heading.
note, create
Actions
a note,
available. Added create note to shortcut below
and
record
added
audio.
create
Documents.
a note
Show more. Button.
to shortcut
Create note with.
below
Create
audio.
media. Record audio.
And
Cancel.
now
Button. Next. Button.
I hit the next to go to the next step here.
Next. Text field is editing. Shortcut name. Insertion point at
Now,
start.
you got to give this a good name.
Insertion point. Delete.
And because I've already
Unmuted.
called mine record, just to keep it specific, but I'm going to call it
S A U
audio note.
D I O audio N O Y T E
Okay.
note notes prediction note. Just say hey Siri. Audio note to run this shortcut.
And now it already, the AI of Siri says, just say hey Siri to
Just say hey Siri. Audio
just
note to
say,
run this
hey
shortcut.
Siri audio note, which I could literally say, hey Siri record, or I hold the home button and say record on top of what we're going to do next, which is add this button to my home
Text
screen.
field. Icon chooser.
So-
Done button.
We're going to hit the done button now by swiping to the left and double tapping on done.
Oh, you already have a shortcut named audio
I
note.
already have a
Please
shortcut
okay
named
button.
audio note.
Text field
because I've
is
done
edit.
this a
Just say
million
text field.
times.
Text field. Delete
So
E
what do we want to call this? Audio
E?
note.
note. E T O N space O I D
We're
U
just
A
gonna
delete
call
delete
this record to note.
R E C I O R
Record
D
a note.
record.
Record
A capital N
note.
O T E
That makes sense, right?
icon chooser but
That's
done
specific
button.
enough. So I swiped to the right when I was done.
Icon
and
chooser
now
but
it
text field.
says,
Just say hey Siri.
just say
Record
hey
a note to run this
Siri,
shortcut.
record a note.
Text field. Icon chooser
I'm swiping
button.
to the left. The icon chooser is a visual thing if you want like a shape of the icon or a color, but we're gonna ignore that and swipe
Done
to the left
button.
to the done button and double tap now.
Done. Shortcuts. Back button. All shortcuts.
Now-
Select button.
All shortcuts.
Create
There's
shortcut
one
button. Add
last
shortcuts to
thing
dad envelope. 1. Week.
that
Dad 1. Tea time
I
1. Tab
want
automation.
to-
Select bear 1. 2 actions. Eves. Eves. Beth. Idiot. Will. Hey. Mom. Share.
to
Eves.
do.
Tweet.
So I'm
Record. Apple.
swiping
Dad.
through
Apple this. Record. Button.
my notes here
Tell. Week.
because
Dad. Add short clip articles. Eves. Ira.
sometimes
Banana.
this
Audio
is
note.
very
Work. Dave
real.
1. Work. Audio note 1. Work.
It
Dave.
will
Eves.
kind of
and
kick
Wolf.
you out
Record a note.
before
Create.
you're
Select.
finished.
Create. Record a note.
So we're
2
here
actions.
on record
Button.
a note. There's the
Actions
two
available.
actions. The audio record, where it gives you access to the microphone and creates the audio file, and then the notes, where it will literally let you save to notes, which, again, if you want a demonstration of how this button actually works, see my last video. So
Delete shortcut. Duplicate shortcut. Edit shortcut. Drag item. Edit
we're
shortcut.
going to go to edit shortcut. Now, I've done this by going to the actions rotor, by the rotor, where you take your fingers and you're turning a knob on your screen, getting to the rotor, and going to actions and swiping down to get to edit.
Edit shortcut.
Edit shortcut.
Search
And
for
so
apps and
this
actions.
is a good
Search field.
example of, like
Documents.
I said, if you
Create
get
note
kicked
action.
out
Heading.
or you decide that you want
create
this on
note
your
action.
home
Heading.
screen, because maybe
Actions
just
available.
using your voice to tell Siri to record all the time is not always practical. You want to be a little more personal about it, because you have that legal right, by the way, unless you're, maybe publishing online, but you have that legal right to take things down and record and things like that. And if you want to be a little more personal about it, that's what you do. So
Create note
I
with. Recorded
double
audio.
tapped on
Actions
edit
available.
shortcut, and it's giving me
Show
I can
more.
change
Button.
these
Add action.
actions
Button.
if I
Search for
want,
apps
or
and
add
action.
more
Dictate. Toolbar.
actions.
Undo. Dimmed. Redo. Share. Run shortcut.
And
Share.
so
Button.
the way I want to add this to my home screen so that I can be a little bit more personal and just literally grab my phone and hit a button and have it record. I also want to add
Run. Redo. Undo. Dimmed. Dictate.
vibration
Button. Search for
so
apps.
that
Add
I
action.
know when
Button.
I'm recording, and that's what I've done on my record button that I have on my home screen now. It's not gonna, you're not gonna hear the phone buzzing when I create these vibrations, but I can go to add action.
Action. Apps. Button. Dictate. Button. Search for apps and actions.
I can
Search field.
for apps and actions, and I
Search
can
field
type
is editing.
vibrate.
VIBTRARTE. Search.
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 And this will let me vibrate
Actions.
when
Heading.
it records, when I hit that button.
Actions. Heading. Vibrate device. Button. Heading.
Vibrate device.
Actions available.
Now,
Vibrate device. Heading. Create note with. Recorded audio. Show more. Scripting. Vibrate device action. Heading. Vibrate device.
I double
Vibrate
tap,
device. Add action. Button.
add action.
Search for apps and actions. Add action. Script. Vibrate. Create note.
Let's see.
Show.
I'm gonna
Vibrate device.
add
Add
because
action.
what I want to
Button.
do is add it
Add action.
again, and we're gonna reorder these. And
Search for
kinda,
apps
like,
and
make
actions.
it
Search
work.
field.
So I'm gonna add
Document. V
vibrate.
I N B R A T E. Search. Search.
So
Cancel. Button. Cancel. Cancel. There. Actions controller. There it. Search. Actions. There it. Search field. E T A R A I V. Delete. V I B R A T.
vibrate for vibrate device.
Search. Search. Vibrate. More info. Vibrate device. Button. Heading. Vibrate
Double
device.
tap.
Heading. Vibrate device. Vibrate device. Vibrate device action. Heading. Document.
And
Vibrate device. Add action. Scripting. Vibrate device. Vibrate device action. Heading. Dictate. Button. Toolbar. Undo. Button. Redo. Share. Button. Run shortcut. Button.
if I run it, let's see if it actually does it.
Tap to start recording. Tap to finish recording. 0.
Tap to finish. Now,
Cancel. Notes. Save to. New note.
new
button.
note, I can save it to any
Heading.
note.
Save. Button.
But I'm going to
Notes.
cancel that.
Cancel. Button. Shortcut stopped.
because
Shortcuts. Record. Done. Button. Media. Record
what
audio
I
action.
now
Record.
kind of
Show more
need to
documents.
do,
Create note with.
you know,
Recorded
you
audio.
can do this without the
Actions
vibration
available. Show
and
more.
you're
Button.
done.
Scripting. Vibrate device action. Heading. Remove action.
But-
Vibrate device. Script. Heading not. Heading not. Scripting. Vibrate device.
And it
heading
does
not. Heading not
show
found.
it wasn't real
Scripting.
specific
Scripting.
about
Vibrate device. Scripting. Heading not found. Scripting. Vibrate
if
device.
the
Vertical
action
headings.
was added, but
Vibrate
it
device action.
was,
Heading.
because it
Character
says
actions.
vibrate device
Remove action. Move up. Move down.
action. And so what's cool,
Move up. Remove. Move up.
if I move vibrate device up, the action, it will
Scripting. Remove action from activate default. Remove. Move up.
remove.
Done.
I can
Scripting.
decide I
Vibrate
don't want
device
it
action.
to
Heading.
vibrate, and I can
Remove. Move down.
remove
Activate default.
that
Remove action from
action.
move down. Activate default.
And because I've moved it all the way up, all I have is move down, which
Vibrate
is a nice
device.
indicator.
Media. Record audio.
So
Vibrate
It's
device
going
action.
to
Heading.
vibrate the device
Actions
when
available.
I start recording, but when I
Media.
stop recording,
Record audio.
I
Show more.
also
Button.
want it to
Documents.
vibrate
Create note
device.
action.
And
Heading.
this is
Create
how
note with.
powerful
Record. Show more. Scripting. Vibrate device.
you
Add
can
action. Button.
get.
Scripting.
And so
Vibrate
that is
device.
why I went ahead and added the vibrate device.
Vibrate device. Add action.
twice.
Search for apps and dictate.
So
Toolbar.
if
Redo.
and I'm
Dim.
gonna
Share.
show you how
Run
to add
shortcut.
this,
Button.
But I'm going
Run
to
shortcut. Tap to start recording.
You can double tap
Tap to finish
start.
recording.
And so
0.
okay,
Cancel.
I'm going
Button.
to cancel again.
Shortcut
just to make
stopped.
sure it all
Shortcuts.
works.
Record a note.
So
Heading.
now
Top of record a
the
note. Heading.
vibration
Show.
thing you're going
Scripting.
to have to play
Document.
around with and
Search
see
for
what
apps and
works
act.
for
Dictate.
you.
Toolbar. Redo.
You
Dim.
can also
Share. Button.
add an extra vibration for when you've stopped recording, so it'll vibrate twice. That's what I ended up doing. But right now we're going to go to share because this is how you're going to add this to your home screen. And it will even
Record a
work
note.
quicker
iCloud.com.
than it will
Heading.
having to go into the Shortcuts app and having to hit a confirm button to confirm that you want this shortcut to run and you want to record.
Edit actions. Button.
So I did a 4-finger single tap to get to the bottom of the screen. All these little commands save so much time. And so I'm at the very bottom of the screen
Edit actions. Button.
on the edit actions. And if I swipe left a couple times, it won't take me long to get to add home screen. 'Cause
Add to
I have
home
all these
screen
other
button.
share options. There you go. Literally to the left, I swiped. Now add to home screen. I'm going to double tap.
Cancel. Button. Add. Button.
And because I spent so much time, I swiped to the right, hit add,
Preview. Heading.
preview,
Record a note.
record a note.
Home screen name and icon. Heading. Icon chooser. Button.
And I can even rename
Clear.
the
Button.
actual
Record a note.
button
Text
for
field.
the home screen. It doesn't have to be the same name as the Siri voice command, the Siri command. It doesn't have to be the same name as what shows up in the app. And I can even rename this to a different name. But because I spent so much time coming up with a good name, I'm going to
Clear.
swipe back to
Icon
the
chooser.
left. I can
Button.
clear that and
Home
retype
screen
the
name and icon. Heading.
I can choose the shape and the color of the icon here too, to separate it from the actual shortcut inside the app. But I'm going to swipe left.
Record a note.
And it shows the name, record a note.
Preview.
I'm
Heading.
going to
Add. Button.
I can preview it to see it if I want, but I'm going to double tap on add.
Record a note. Heading. Done. Button.
And I'm going to hit done. I'm still inside that shortcut editor here in the Shortcuts app. I'm going to hit done. Okay. Let's see.
Select. Button.
I'm on a select where I can move around a bunch of shortcuts within this app and organize them and do what I want. But I'm going to hit the home button now.
Recently added. Shortcuts.
Recently added, that just shows that I've recently added the Shortcuts app. But I'm going to swipe 3-finger swipe to the right to get to my
Moon
home
forecast.
screen,
Record a
my
note.
one and only home screen, and there it is.
Moon forecast. Moon forecast. Page 2 of 2. Record a note.
This is my new home page on my home screen with the record
Moon
a
forecast.
note.
Record a
because
note.
it wanted to make a room for this icon. And I won't need this because I already have this the way I want it under record instead of record a note.
Moon forecast.
And it's
Record a
simpler,
note.
and I already know what it's going to do. But record a note, if I double tap, I'm not going to have to confirm. If I double tap, it will record right away. And when it's not screen recording, it will also vibrate to indicate recording and vibrate to indicate stopping recording. So I'm gonna go
Moon forecast. Record a note.
record a note, double tap,
Tap to start recording.
tap to start recording.
Tap to start recording. Moon forecast. Button. Tap to start recording.
Okay, you know what? There is, if I go into
Moon forecast. Record a note.
I'm gonna look for something here.
Moon
if I go
forecast.
into
App library.
shortcuts here,
Suggestions. MP3 converter. Facebook. Amazon. Mail. Recently
from
added.
the
Shortcuts.
library, recently added shortcuts. Shows up on the home screen here. I'm gonna double tap. If I go
Shortcuts.
in
Select. Button. Create all shortcut. Record a note. Wolf's. Record a note.
Record a
4
note.
actions. Button.
If it shows the
Actions
4
available.
actions that it took to create this whole thing with the vibration.
Duplicate short.
If
Edit
I
shortcut.
go,
Drag item.
I
Edit
can
shortcut.
make a copy of this if I want and customize and tweak that for a different version of this. And you can even do video recording, by the way, if you wanted to add that for quickly recording YouTube videos. And I'll probably consider doing that if I record enough of these. So, but I'm going to go back to the
Edit shortcut.
edit shortcut, and I'm going
Search for apps
to
and actions. Search field.
see,
Record audio
because
action.
There was a
Heading.
way that I found
Actions
before
available.
where I can get rid of that little confirmation where when I hit the button, it will just start recording automatically. It won't show the tap to start anymore. Because
Record
that's
audio.
kind of like when you want to record something quick, that's kind of
Show
like
more. Button.
not very
Documents.
convenient.
Create note with. Show more.
So
Script. Vibrate.
it
Add act.
shows
Read.
all the
Run short.
things
Run
I
shortcut.
did.
Undo. Redo. Dimmed. Button. Undo. Dictate.
I can
button.
undo
Search for app. Add act.
actions
Scripting.
and
Vibrate
edit
device
and
action.
all
Doc.
this.
Create. Meet. Record audio. Record audio. Script. Vibrate. Done. Record a note.
It
Record a
shows
note.
the
Done.
scripting.
Scripting. Vibrate device action. Heading. Vibrate device. Media. Record audio action. Heading. Record audio. Show more. Button.
Show more. I think if I hit show more next to the record audio action, it
Expanded.
will give me these options. And now that has been expanded into this other menu. So let's swipe and see what we get here.
Audio quality.
Audio quality.
Selected. Normal. Button. 1
Normal.
of very high. Button.
Very
2.
high.
Start recording.
Start recording.
On tap. Button.
On tap. Yes, that's what we want.
Start recording. Selected. On tap. Immediately. Button.
On tap, which
Attachment.
means that will
Immediately.
give
Button.
you the way of where you have to tap again. Immediately is the automatic recording, which is what we're going to
Attachment.
want.
PNG. File. Ask each time.
Attachment.
Button.
You want it to ask each time and kind of
Attachment.
open up the
PNG.
file.
File. Shortcut input. Button.
Shortcut input where you kind of
Cancel.
tell it
Button.
where you want to go.
Attach immediately.
But
Button.
we're going to say immediately by swiping to left
Record a
and
note.
double
Heading.
tapping.
Done. Scripting. Vibrate. Media. Record audio. Record audio. Show less. Button. Audio quality. Select. Start record
There's
immediately.
also
Button.
some
Finish
other
recording.
settings.
On tap. Button.
Finish recording on tap, and that will confirm to finish the recording. We want that immediately.
Finish
as
recording.
well,
So
'cause
after
if you
time.
want
Button.
to,
Selected. On tap. Button.
if you want to immediately, you don't want it to record something private, really private or whatever. You don't have to now.
After time. Selected. On tap. Button. After time.
You
Button.
can set this as a timer, and you can have a built-in automatic timer.
Selected. On tap. Button. After time. Button.
So I can tap and tap to confirm I want to stop recording, or after a certain time, it will stop automatically. I don't want that because you just never know.
Attachment. Attach. Cancel. Button. Cancel. After. Selected. On tap. Button. Finish recording.
So
Selected.
we're
On
gonna
tap.
say-
Button. After time. Button.
I wonder what after time does, first of all.
Record a note. Head. Done. Scripting. Vibrate device. Media. Record audio. Show less. Button. Audio quality. Select. Very high. Start. Immediately. Finish. After time. Button.
We're going to just
Finish
say
recording. On tap. Button. Selected. After. Attachment. On tap. Button.
on tap. And I think
Record a
that
note.
should
Done. Scripting. Vibrate.
just do everything
Start recording.
automatically.
Very high. Button. Immediately. On
start
documents.
recording,
Create note action.
finish.
Heading. Create note with. Recorded audio.
It shows
Create
this
media.
under
On
documents heading
Create note
because
action.
it knows
Heading.
it's going to save it
Actions available.
into notes
Create
as
note
a
with.
document.
Record. Show more. Button.
Create
note
note
with.
with.
Recorded audio.
Recorded
Show more.
audio.
Scripting. Vibrate device. Vibrate device.
and
Add search for apps and action.
because
Add action. Button.
You'll probably want this. We're going to add a final action. We're going to make this a video recorder now because
Action.
we already have done a lot with audio. So
Search for apps and
we're
actions.
going
Search
to
field. Search
type
field is editing. Search V I D
video.
O. What? Camera. WhatsApp. Camera.
Camera. Here we go.
Selected. Camera.
Camera.
Selected. Selected. More info.
So now
button.
you can
take video.
record
Button.
more
Heading.
YouTube
Actions
videos.
available.
Hint, hint. Okay, we have the take video action. Double tap here.
More
and
info.
this is
Button.
just by swiping
Take video.
to the
Button.
left
Heading.
here.
Added take video to shortcut below
Added
vibrate
take
device.
video
Media. Show more.
below.
Button.
Vibrate device,
Add action.
which
Button.
we will we will move that extra vibrate device below that so that it will do it after finish.
Camera. Heading. Close.
kinda
Button.
tweak
Toolbar.
that.
Undo. Button. Redo. Share. Run shortcut. Button. Run shortcut. Button.
So now if I run shortcut,
Tap to finish. Tap to finish recording.
tap to finish recording.
0. 1. Tap to finish recording. Cancel. But notes. Save to. New note. This attachment will be saved. Add text to your note. Audio recording 2020. Add this
Okay,
new
and it
note. Button.
still
Save to.
shows the
Heading. Save.
audio,
Button. Notes.
which
Heading.
means
Cancel. Button.
Cancel out of this. We're
Shortcut
going
stopped.
to
Shortcuts.
see
Done. But need. Show
what it
less. Button.
is
Audio quality. So very. On. Vibrate. Need.
that we
Take
need
video.
to
Show.
do to
add
get
action.
this thing.
Take video
Take
with. Back.
video
Camera.
with.
Show more. Button.
Okay.
Take video with. Back. Camera.
camera.
Actions available.
I would say front
Camera.
camera.
Front. Selected. Back. Front. Button.
Front camera.
Need. Show more.
Okay.
Add camera.
So
Heading.
we
Close.
just have
Button.
to
Toolbar.
customize this
Undo. Button.
action to
Redo.
work.
Undo. Close. Camera. Heading. Add action. Button. Camera. Heading. Close. Button. Toolbar. Undo. Button. Redo. Share. Run shortcut. Button.
And we're gonna try this again. Let's run the shortcut.
Run short. Tap to finish recording. 0. Cancel. No. Save to. New. This attachment will add text to your audio recording. Add this new. Save to.
I know what
Save.
it
Button.
is.
Notes. Heading. Cancel. Button.
Cancel out.
Shortcut stopped. Done.
We have
Show
to.
less.
This
Button.
is like a puzzle.
Audio
here.
quality.
We have
Start
to
record immediately.
remove-
Finish.
we have
Untap.
to move
Document. Create note
things
with. Show. Scripting. Vibrate device.
in a certain
Media.
order
Take video
for
action.
these
Heading.
things to
Show more.
fit
Button. Add action. Button. Take video with.
together.
Front. Take video
Take
action.
video
Heading.
with front or back or
Scripting.
however
Vibrate
you
device.
wanna do it.
Media. Take video action. Heading.
Maybe you don't want to show your
Actions
face,
available.
and so you just want to say back, and you're in a dark room anyway, or you want to. The microphone audio changes between front and back camera, so you might want to keep that in mind when you're customizing. But let's
Move up.
move up.
Documents. Show more. But create note with. Recorded audio. Create note action.
Create note
Create note
with
with.
recorded
audio.
Audio.
Actions.
Let's see.
Show recorded audio. As media. Button. Selected.
As
Name.
media.
Default. Duration. Frame rate. Title. Artist. Album. Artwork. File size. File. Creation date. Last
You
modified
can
date.
do file
Last
size,
modified.
all kinds of
Artist.
little things,
Title.
but
Frame rate.
I just
Duration.
really want
Selected.
to
Name. Default. As media. Button.
as media.
Maps link. Selected. Media. Number. PDF. Phone number. Place. Rich text. URL card.
You can
Vertical.
make it a PDF format
PDF. Number.
somehow.
Select. Maps.
Kinda
Location.
crazy.
iTunes Media. Image. File.
iTunes.
Event
I'm just
attendee.
swiping left
Email
and
address.
right
Dictionary.
here.
Date. Contact. Boolean. Art. Apps. Type. Back button.
You can
Done.
also
Button. Done. Record a note. Done. Button.
auto add dates to your notes.
Shortcuts. Back
Once
button.
you hit a button, it will add today's date to a note and get very like word processor.
Select.
into
Button.
this.
Create all shortcut.
But what
Record a
I
note.
really-
5 actions. Button. Record a note. Search for apps and actions. Search. Create. Show more. But media. Take video
I
with.
want
Front.
to-
Show more.
It's
Button.
showing the
Take video action. Documents. Show more. But media. Take video action.
So,
Take. Show more. Scripting.
because
Vibrate device.
I've moved take video above vibrate, above record audio.
Share.
all
Button.
That.
Redo.
I
Dimmed.
want to
Run
make sure
shortcut.
this
Button.
works before we add it to the home screen, so I'm going to hit run shortcut.
Record a note. Tap to finish recording.
Tap
0.
to finish recording. Let's see what happens here.
Cancel. Button. Note. Save to. New note. This attachment will be saved in a new note. Add text to your note. Audio recording. 125 text field.
It's
1.
showing
Add this
the
new. Save to.
audio.
Heading. Save. Button. Notes. Head. Cancel. Button.
What happens if
Shortcut
I
stopped.
remove the
Done.
audio
Scripting.
action?
Vibrate device. Meet. Record audio. R. Show more. Button. Record audio.
If
Words.
I-
Characters. Show more. Documents. Create note. Action. Heading. Create note with. Show more. Button. Create note with. Recorded audio. Create note with.
Or
Recorded
if I
audio.
change the recorded audio, create note
As
with.
selected.
as
Name.
media.
As media. Button. Maps link.
We want as
Look.
media,
Image.
but what
File.
we're-
Event attendee.
what
Record
we
a note.
might
Heading.
want
Done. Button.
is
Empower 1. 3 actions. But shortcut.
we
Select.
might
Create.
want-
Record a note. Record a note. 5 action. Delete. Duplicate shortcut.
we're going to go
Edit
to
shortcut.
edit shortcut again.
Search
what
for apps
we
and
might actually want is to take the audio recording out completely so it knows that we want
Show more.
video.
Button. Media. Take video action. Take video with. Show more. Button. Scripting. Vibrate. Add action. But search for apps and dictate. Toolbar. Redo. Dimmed. Share. But run shortcut. Button. Share. Run shortcut. Media. Show more. Button. Take video with. Front. Camera. Show more. Button.
Show more.
Expanded.
Let's
Quality.
see what show
Low.
more
Button.
gives
One of
us.
meet.
Low,
Selected.
medium,
Hot. Start
high.
recording.
Start
Immediately. Button.
recording immediately. We do want that.
On tap button.
And it's going
Selected.
to give us
Immediately
on tap
button.
or immediately. We hit immediately.
Take video
again.
action. Heading. Take video. Show quality. Low. Medium. So start recording. Scripting. Vibrate device. Add action. Button. Search for apps and action. Dictate. Button. Toolbar. Add scripting. Vibrate device. Start. Selected. Hi. Button.
It shows the
quality. Show.
vibrating
Take video
device
action.
again for when
Documents.
you're
Create note
done.
with. Create note action. Media. Record audio. Record audio. Record audio action. Heading. Remove action from shortcut.
Remove action.
Remove
from
record audio.
shortcut, 'cause
Documents.
what we
Create note
wanna
action.
do is
Heading.
be able to do
Create note
video
with.
as a
Record.
choice
Show more.
too.
Create note with. Recorded audio. Show media. Take video action. Heading. Take video. Show less. Button.
And
Quality.
it still shows
Low. Button.
the take
Select
video
media.
and the notes and
Show less.
everything else. So this is
Create
kind of
note
like
action.
removing
Scripting.
a
Vibrate
piece
device.
from the
Done.
puzzle
Button.
that we've made. We're going to hit done. And I just want to make sure that this works before we add it to our
Wolfson
home
1.
screen.
2 record a note. 4
So,
actions. Button.
Record
Actions
a note
available.
is still the name of this shortcut, and we're going to double tap.
Search for apps and actions. Search media. Take video
And
toolbar.
it taps
Run short share.
into
Run
it,
shortcut.
So we're
Button.
going to do a 4-finger single tap to the bottom of the screen to get to run shortcut.
Run shortcut. Button.
Double tap.
Running short. Done. Button.
Running shortcut.
Record a note. Heading. Detail. Scripting. Vibrate device action. Vibrate documents. Create note action. Create note with. Show more. Button. Media. Take video action. Heading. Take video with. Front. Show more. Scripting. Vibrate device action. Vibrate device. Toolbar. Undo. Dimmed. Redo. Share. Dimmed. Stop shortcut. Button. Stop shortcut.
Stop
Button.
shortcut.
Stop shortcut. Toolbar. Run shortcut. Button. Run shortcut. Redo.
So,
Dimmed. Undo. Dimmed.
you
Button.
know, we
Dictate.
could
Button.
check
Search for apps and actions. Search field.
The Photos app.
Moon
we
forecast.
could
Suggest. Moon forecast. App library. Search field.
See if that's where the videos ended up. But what we really want is for
App switcher.
to be able to create
Shortcut.
video
Shortcuts.
notes
Short.
as well.
Shortcuts. Record a note.
So-
Heading. Detail. Scripting. Vibrate device. Vibrate
We
device.
have vibrate device
Documents.
action.
Create note action. Heading. Action.
And
Create note with.
note.
Show more.
So
Button.
you
Media.
know,
Take video action.
Take
Heading.
video needs
Move
to be
down.
moved
Move
up.
Vibrate device
in this
action.
puzzle,
Vibrate
in
device.
this
Media.
order.
Take video action. Take video. Show more. Button. Documents.
And that
Create
might
note
be
action.
the only
Heading.
thing we need to tweak.
Documents. Page 1 of 2. Set
Single
toolbar. Run
finger-
shortcut. Button.
Single 4-finger single tap to the bottom to get to run shortcut on the bottom right of the screen. Run shortcut, double tap. And I just heard a beep to show that we're
Stop recording video. Button.
It says stop recording video. I really hope we're still screen
Viewfinder.
recording.
Image. A photo about. Stop recording video. Use video. Button.
Use video because I can
Use video.
play,
Play. Button. Retake.
and
Button.
all that stuff. Retake
Movie scrubber. Current. Play.
all the
Current.
same
Play. Use video. Button.
things.
Shortcut finished.
Shortcut.
Media.
Finish.
Take video with. Show more. Document. Create. Show more. But scripting. Vibrate device. Vibrate. Add action. Search for apps and actions. Documents.
So-
Create note with. Create note action. Heading. Media. Show more. Button. Take video with. Front. Camera. Show. Documents. Create note action. Heading. Create note with. Recorded audio. Actions available.
Create note with recorded audio. Let's see. if
Recorded
we
audio.
can
Recorded
change.
audio warning sign. Recorded. Done. Button. Recorded audio. Done. Button. Done. Vibrate. Add action. Search for apps and actions. Tick. Toolbar. Undo. Dimmed. Read. Shit. Run shortcut. Button. Read. Untick. Create note with. Create note. Media. Show more. Button. Screen recording in progress. Button.
Okay, it's
Media.
still
Take video
recording.
with. Screen recording in
Let's make
progress.
sure the
Button. Status bar
microphone
item. Control center.
is running
Airplane mode.
because
Switch button. Notes.
what we need
Selected.
to
Screen
do-
recording. But open controls. Selected. Photos. Gmail. Messenger. But stop recording. Microphone. On. Button.
Okay, good. What we need to do
Right. Do not disturb. Switch
is
button.
be
Off.
able to
Script. Vibrate device. Selected. Selected. Documents. Show more.
Actually
Button.
save
Create
this
note with.
video
Recorded audio. Actions available.
into
Create note action. Heading.
a note. So
Create
we
note
have
with.
that choice
Recorded
of
audio.
note, video
Actions
note,
available.
and have both buttons kind of there on the home screen. If we want to back this up to note,
Edit.
if that's
Body.
something that's
Recorded
gonna-
audio.
I think
Activate
that's
default.
pretty
Create note.
important.
Create note with. Recorded audio. Show more.
So-
Button. Media. Take video with. Take script. Vibrate. Done. Record a note. Done. Media. Take show. Document. Create. Show. Edit. Dictate. Toolbar.
we can
Redo.
do-
Share. Run shortcut. Shit. Read. Untick. Search. Add action. Scripting. Vibrate device. Vibrate device. Documents. Show more. Button. Create note
We're
with.
gonna hit
Recorded.
done
Create note action.
just to-
Heading.
or
Create note
wait a
with.
minute. Nope.
Create note action.
We
Heading.
don't have to. So we're going
Remove
to
action from shortcut.
Remove action.
Remove
from
create note.
shortcut.
Media. Take video with. Show more. Scripting. Vibrate device action. Vibrate.
It
Add action.
shows take
Search for
video
add action.
with. We're
Button.
going to go to add action. And to save time,
Search
we
for
don't
apps and
have to
actions.
type
Search
in
field.
new notes. We can just type in the app
Search
that we
field
want to
is
work
editing.
with,
B
and
N
the action should
O
come up. So we're
T
going to type in
E
notes.
W F delete S S. Search. Search.
Search.
Apps heading. Notes.
Notes
Actions
is what
heading.
comes
Create note
up.
button heading.
Create note.
Actions available.
Double tap.
Create note heading. More info. Spiral notepad. Type.
It
delete more,
shows
get
notes
more info.
that
Add
may come
more
up.
info
I can
button.
use as shortcuts. I could tell Siri to kind of open one of these notes by just saying the title of the notes. I could say,
Add reminder via fantastical. More info. Show notes folder. More info. Get notes.
I
But
could
more
say, for
delete notes. More find title.
example,
Christmas. Spiral note.
"Hey
Christmas.
Siri, Christmas," which is the title of one of my notes. And it will just open that note for me.
Type
So
find
that's
notes. More info.
another
Delete
example
more
of how you
info.
can use
Get note.
notes,
More
but
info.
we
Show
want
notes. More
to
info.
create a
But add
video
reminder via
note.
fantastic. More add event via fantastic.
So-
More create day 1 entry. More info button. Act notes. Cancel
I
button.
hit the
Apps
top of the
heading.
screen with a 4-finger single tap.
Notes. Action.
To start
Notes.
over, and if we double tap on notes, the notes app within the search results,
Selected. Notes. Heading. Close. Append to note. More info button.
it gives you more specifics. I can append to a note.
Create note button.
Create
Heading.
note. That's what we
Actions of
want.
added create note to shortcut below vibrate
Added
device. Create note.
below
Heading.
vibrate
Record a note.
device.
Heading.
Well, in order
Done
for this
button.
puzzle to work in
Media.
this,
Take video with. Show more. Documents.
we
Create note
want
action.
create
Heading.
note
Move up.
to go above vibrate device so that it vibrates at the end of recording, at the beginning of the recording,
Show more.
and at the end
Documents.
of the
Create note with. Video. Show more. Button.
So create
Create
note
note.
with
Media.
video.
Show more. Button. Take video with. Take video action.
Video with
Heading.
front camera.
Scripting.
It's kinda cool. You
Vibrate.
can
Vibrate
choose
device
the,
action. Done.
camera.
Button.
And the
Script.
other
Vibrate.
vibrate
Take video. Show
is still
documents.
there.
Documents.
We're
Page 1 of 2.
going to
Media.
now
Show more. No. Close. Toolbar. Redo.
swipe
Undo. Read. Run shortcut.
until,
Button.
here we go, run shortcut.
Run short record video. Button. Viewfinder. Image. 2 seconds.
And it
2
is
seconds.
recording.
Stop recording
We're
video.
going to hit
Button.
stop now.
Use video. Button.
Use video. Hope this works
Cancel.
here.
Button. Notes. Save. Button.
Yes!
Save to.
Okay.
Heading. New note.
You
Button.
can save it to a new note.
This attachment will be add text to your note. Text
You
field.
can write whatever you want about this video, and then you can save it to a
New note. But save to. Heading. New.
Now.
This attachment will be add text to your note. 0. Add this attach. Add text to your note. Text field.
I'm going
Text
to call
field
this
is at space.
video.
V I D E I delete I O video W O R J K S.
Works. And
This
I'm
attachment will
going
be
to
saved in a
swipe
new note.
left, and
Button.
I'm
Save
going
to.
to
Heading.
hit
Save. Button.
Save.
Shortcut finished. Shortcuts. Record a note. Heading.
And we're
Done.
going
Button.
to
Scripting.
rename
Vibrate
this.
device. Media. Take video. Take video with.
And we're
Show
gonna
more.
just test this on the
Documents.
home
Create
screen
note action. Heading.
first.
Create note with. Video.
And
Show
then we're
more.
going
Button.
to see our
Scripting.
finished
Vibrate device.
product. So we're
Vibrate
gonna go
device. Add action. Notes.
to-
Heading. Add note. Close. Shield. Redo. Dim. Share. Run shortcut. Read. Unclose. No.
We're going to
Create-
go.
Take video action. Scripting. Vibrate device action. Done. Button.
We're going to hit done,
Done.
and we're
Short-
just going
record
to
and
go
Wolfson
to
Watt.
edit
Record a note.
because
Delete short. Duplicate. Edit shortcut.
kind of starting
Search for apps
over
and
here
actions.
'cause I
Search
just
field.
got into the
Scripting.
scripting.
Media.
So we're
Take.
going to
Take.
go
Show more.
to-
Document. Create note with. Show.
It shows all
Toolbar.
my
Redo.
actions
Dim.
here.
Share. Run shortcut. Share.
And
Button. Read. Undo. Vibrate device action.
I think
Media.
you can actually
Take video action. Take video with.
just for the
Record a
sake
note.
of being
Heading. Done. Button.
organized, rename this.
Record a note. For action.
outside
Delete.
of
Duplicate
the,
shortcut. Edit short. Drag item. Activate. Delete shortcut. Duplicate short. Edit shortcut. Drag item. Edit shortcut.
I'm just going to rename this for the home screen
Toolbar.
because
Share.
that's what
Button.
we care about here. But then I
Redo.
did
Dim.
want
Undo.
to
Script.
be
Documents.
able
Create.
to
Take.
be able to
Record.
say it
Done.
with my
Button.
voice,
Scripting.
record a
Vibrate.
video,
Vibrate.
so
Create
that's
note
kind of
with. Create note
important.
action. Media.
Let's
Create.
see,
Show.
show.
Script. Vibrate. Add action. Search for
It shows
dictate.
all these
Toolbar.
scripting
Undo. Dim.
things.
Redo. Share. Run shortcut.
You
Run shortcut.
can,
Button. Share. But redo. Undo. Dictate. Search for apps and action. Add action. Button.
Let's see our choices
Scripting.
in
Vibrate device. Done. Record a note. Done. Button.
editing here.
Empower 1. 3. Create shortcut. All shortcut. Record a note. 4 actions. Drag item.
If I swipe
Edit
up,
shortcut.
if I
Duplicate
hit
shortcut.
edit
Delete shortcut. Activate default. Drag item.
duplicate,
Edit shortcut.
etc.
Search for apps and actions. Search. Show more. Button. Scripting. Vibrate. Create note with. Video.
Create note,
Create note
video,
action.
of
Heading.
course.
Take video
So,
with. Take video action. Vibrate device. Done. Record a
Over
note.
here,
Done.
we're
Button.
going to summarize our actions. This fits together like a puzzle here.
Scripting. Vibrate
We
device
want
action.
it to
Heading.
vibrate
Vibrate
when
device.
we know it's recording.
Media. Take video action.
We
Heading.
want it to record
Actions
video.
available. Take video with. Show more.
Take
video with.
We
Front.
want it
Camera.
the front camera to
Actions
come up
available.
and take video of our face.
Show
so that
more.
we're
Button.
talking
Documents.
into a
Create note
video.
action. Heading.
we want this
Actions
video
available.
to be backed up and saved to notes specifically. And this is nice because it won't save to your iCloud or your camera if you just want it saved to
Create
notes.
note with video. Show more button.
Create note with video.
Scripting. Vibrate device action.
So
Heading.
that it will save
Actions available.
into your notes.
Vibrate device.
And you want it to vibrate when finished
Add action
recording.
button. Search for apps and dictate. Toolbar. Undo. Dim.
And so
Redo.
that's
Share
what
button.
it
Run shortcut.
takes
Share.
now.
Run shortcut. Share button. Redo. Undo.
In order.
Media. Take video. Vibrate. Done button. Scripting. Vibrate device action. Done. Record a note. Heading. Record a note. Heading. Done button.
I think
Select button. Create all shortcuts.
I can
Record a
hit
note. 4 actions button. Wolfson. Record a note.
select
4 actions button.
and kind of
Actions available. Delete shortcut.
edit with
Duplicate shortcut.
other,
Edit short. Drag item. Activate default.
other things. And if I hit activate,
Search for apps and actions. Search documents. Create note action. Create search dictate
It
toolbar.
will
Redo.
run.
Share. Run share. Create note action. Meet. Take video with. Take scripting.
and
Vibrate
so
device.
the voice you kind of
Done
have to
button.
do
Record a
it
note.
seems
Heading.
at the very
Record a note. Done button.
beginning here. But if I go
Toolbar.
into share,
Share
let's
button.
see.
Run shortcut button.
Although,
Run short.
yeah,
Share
if
button.
I go into share,
Share. Record club. Banana Pop. Leo.
I can
Dad.
send
Mom.
this
sis,
to
Christopher. Ty Thompson.
somebody on
Jacinda,
my
AirDrop.
iCloud.
Messages. Mail. Notes. Facebook. Messenger. Media. WhatsApp. Gmail. Button. Twitter. Button.
Or
Reminders.
save this
Button.
as a
Fantastical.
shortcut
More.
link. So you
Button.
can
Copy
share your
iCloud link. Add to
shortcuts.
home screen.
Copy
Button.
iCloud
Edit actions.
link.
Button. Edit action.
Of
Add to home
course,
screen.
you can
Button.
add to home screen. We're gonna do that real quick, and then we will.
Cancel. Button. Add. Preview. Heading. Record a note. Home screen name and icon. Head. Icon. Clear. Button. Record a note. An icon will be added. An icon. Record a note. Text field.
And we're going to
Text field
title
is editing.
this
Delete. E.
something for video.
T.
We're going to
O.
title
T. O.
this
E. R. T.
Take
W. A. Take. V. I. D. E. O.
video.
I. O. Take video. Preview. Add. Button. Cancel. Add. Button.
Okay.
Record a note. Done. Button.
And we're going
Moon.
to
Moon. Suggestions. Moon forecast. App. Moon forecast. Record a
We
note.
swiped back to that home screen where this was.
Take video.
Take video.
Doc.
Is
Mail.
the
2
right
on Moon
icon
forecast.
next to
Take video. Record a note.
our record
Take
a
video.
note, and we're going to double tap.
Record video. Button.
Hello, hello. We're recording.
Viewfinder. Image. Stop recording
It shows
video.
the
Button.
viewfinder, so it will
Viewfinder.
show,
Image.
it will
A red
tell
rectangle with white text on a black background.
that there's a it looks like a rectangle.
Stop recording video.
And it
Button.
will
Stop.
describe-
Viewfinder. Image.
If I move the phone, will it tell me my face is here?
21 seconds. 21
It
seconds.
shows I've
Viewfinder.
been
Image.
recording for 21 seconds. If I double tap on
Viewfinder.
this
Image. A red rectangle with white text on a black background.
It shows that there is a red rectangle.
Stop
The
recording
back
video.
camera
Stop recording
might be
video.
better to
Button.
record your face with, but I'm going to stop this video.
Use video. Button.
Use video.
Use video.
I can
Play.
hit
Retake.
play.
Movie scrubber. Replay. Movie scrubber. Current position. 0. Current. Replay.
Or
Use
like
video.
rewind and
Use video.
fast forward
Button.
by adjusting the video scrubber. But we're going to go to use video on the very right. Double tap.
No. Save
And
to.
it
Heading.
will,
Video works. Button.
Go into my video works note that I created with the other video. It will automatically save to current notes that you're already working on. Or I can hit this button, decide to create a new note, or decide what folder to create a new note in. And there's all kinds of options.
Save to.
But I'm gonna
Heading.
swipe
Save
to left,
button.
hit save. We're going to check the finished
Moon forecast.
product.
Take video.
And if you want to learn how to do this with your voice, please comment below. Let me know if using your voice to record a video, and we will do a really cool Siri command, or if you figured out how to do that with video. I've done it with the audio notes plenty of times, but I'd like to know the interest of doing it with video. If you'd like, I can kind of like learn a little more and we can do that. If you have found a way to do it yourself, let me know how it's done. You know, we're here working together, so I would really appreciate it. But we're going to go into
Home.
my
Page 1 of
main
2.
home
Moon
screen.
forecast.
I'm going to
Record.
delete, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to
Page 2 of 2.
delete
Moon. Record a note. Edit mode.
record a note.
Started editing. Activate default. Alert. Are you
Real
sure you want
quick.
cancel? But delete.
And
Button.
I'm going to put
Add widget. Button. Moon forecast. Take video. Is
Take
editing.
video.
Stop editing. Delete. Drag take video. Moon forecast.
because
Empty
what I want to
page.
be able to do is save these videos for when I record for YouTube or Facebook. And I'm going to, it shows empty page, so I can leave this on the empty page, or I can swipe back to my main home screen because I only want one home page to keep
Home.
things
Page
clean.
1 of
I
3.
have
Add widget.
stacks
But
and
Moon
folders
forecast.
and all
Record.
kinds of
Is
stuff.
editing.
I'm
Notes.
going
Is editing.
to
Widget. Drops available. Actions available. Record is editing.
I'm going to take
Drops
I have my
available.
record
Actions
button
available.
for audio for podcasting and taking audio notes, and for taking video notes for YouTube and Facebook. I'm going to put this video note after my audio.
Cancel
By
drag.
swiping up.
Create new folder with
a
record and take
rotor.
video. Drop ready.
I can create a folder with these two buttons, but I want to just
Drop take video after record. Drop ready.
have take video after record. Double tap.
Drop complete. Row
Drop
1, column 2.
complete.
Finished edit.
Let's
Record.
see.
Take video.
Yes.
Record.
Record for audio.
Take video.
for
Hi,
video.
I
so
just made a
know
bunch
what
of
I'm
moon
doing.
forecast.
I have my main note for the day that I'm working on. And that is it. So please let me know.
4:56 p.m. Status bar. Control set. Orient. Airplane
I'm
mode.
going to make
Notes.
sure, I'm
Selected.
going to have
Screen
to
recording.
really make sure that this was able to record the video for demonstration, and it didn't cut me off. So I'm going to upload this in a bit here. But please let me know if you found a way, or if you'd like, we can look together on another video. I can show you. I can take you with me as I learn how to use my voice to record a video, just holding down Siri's home button or saying, "Hey Siri," and creating a video voice command.
Selected.
That
Screen
would be
recording
wonderful,
button.
because that's something
Actions
I've always
available.
wanted. So, thanks so much for watching. Thank you for your interest. I hope this has helped you learn how customizable this really is. I'm so excited, and we'll talk in the next one. Look forward to talking to you soon.